See the day you call, I don't know who you they talk to, my sister. See the day when you say, you be doctor. Computer, when they go pull her for computer, go they make back. Now so you take the one, but if you give me now, boy. Now say, even me when not the boast for social media. If I want to use computer, take write. Once I read down, you know, say if you want to write something, once you write like 3 alphabets or 4 alphabets for the DC, everything will just come out. The audio, you go just write audio alphabet come out. As you call they use computer, I dey for office. I call just they watch and say, Madam, then we're not just into a background. It background métier now. Make I speak deep for you. I'm not going to say now, wow. You dey use computer. Computer when you go put your hand on top, you go dey make talk. Or I write for it now, you go come tap one. You go look at again, you go tap 2. You wait, when you go no school, you go doctor school. You get pressure, and then what baby. Uche no si fona le yatie doctor. I try not want to repeat your doctor nurse doctor. Doctor nurse. Common typing. If you do talk now, I'll go your down. I'll go bring a comb. Put her for my wall. Common type yo. On a type on top of computer. If you want write I, you go look I, you go tap her. If you want write, you call the tap, just say you want to, write congratulations. You get how many alphabets when you go type. Once you don't tap to 3, 4 alphabets, congratulations will come out. Okay. You will come look on, you will come do one. You get the way. Oh, one just school no get use the computer. Oh, both of us go do top of computer. You gonna make Okay, wait now. Wait. I wanna use a computer. Let me if you want type. See, make I type now. Make I type, see. Open Vera or we can ya type. You see, You see, Did you see you just type it like that? I type now. You see, where I type, you got to make You see, where I type, who I type it, go, all day. You see, all day, boy. You see, you go just the type they go. Did you see it? The day when you dey type, now so you take the type. Make I show you again. Now so you take the type. Or if you type, you go type like this. Later. Like this. See, go the type on 1. E, T, C. Area where not where use a computer ya school. Area ya type here. Listen to type your above Vera ya type. See, You see, above Vera, where I type You see, who I type là-dedans? Where you type where you type with a computer. Now, if you look at like this, you go press on. Look at like this, you go press on. Look at like this, you go press on. It be like say they give JJC computer. You just say carry, you just open up for a type. You go write 1, you go look book. Write 2, you go look book. Write 3, you go look book. For you to write 1, 2, 3 with computer, must you the look book? 1, 2, 3 not in your head. Now there now come the look. Make we know we dey see you now. Why they talk about my man? I don't know who now. How can these people go say, oh, we don't get school, don't get them finish secondary school? We are not talking about university now. People like this go come they motivate them. Who are you guys motivating? How you there, my darling? Good evening. And Antonia. See the way we content the type. Now they're going to say, hey, area where you type here. Just leave those children. Do not bring those children. Not carry those children con saga. If you were people know they carry your children con saga. Why are you carry children of Vera the botro, why they carry the children, they come, don't they saga Vera? Vera, you know they feel saga Vera. You supposed to they go saga Vera. I don't know whether now your fake account. Yeah. You not see the video, you not say we. Ma, why would they go school? When I go school for this country, even computer self, they go carry you put for computer. When I have your Bob Vevaye computer. If you they type and if me want type with computer, now 200 I will put for computer. I'm my way back of computer. You go do computer lesson. Computer lesson, you will do it for 30 minutes. We get computer class. We get class when they take lesson. We get computer class. 30 minutes. If you they type, not be one, you can't do akbo. You will call Luca. Do akbo again. Luca right, Luca right. No, your hand go there. You go place the book. You know, the something when you want write. You go place it for the front of the computer. Not be you carry and put for one corner. You call the tone like this. That they use computer like that. The book when they say may you do you put it for computer. Front of computer. If you they look at you, they type and they look at you, they type. And if they type, you are going to look like this, they type. They look like this, they type like that. When they go school for year, we get computer class. When they reach for computer class, they will teach you how they use computer. That mask when they use, when they control, how you put your hand. You know? How you put your hand. That one, that computer office, they teach us how to use computer office. They still teach us how to use laptop. If you reach computer time, laptop there, office computer there, when they use that mask. Not the mask that they call at that time. That's something when you go carry like this, you the roll on like this, you the roll on like this. They go teach you. If you never know how to use them, if you never know how to use it, they give you, you will come the carry and they go. You will come the use until they go. You go, they carry you, they work out, they go where you don't know. Then they'll come shift and back. They'll say concentrate on that thing. Cry, Melissa, me I don't know. But if they insult those children, well, but you cannot just work with computer. You cannot type with computer. And your book by type with a computer. Or both of you type with a computer. They teach us. If you carry one hand, they will say, no, if you do like this, carry one hand, they will say remove her for job. They teach us. If you use computer finish, the way when you sit there often. If you often go make, you got the way when they make noise. Wow, yeah, say, by Dima. School, when I go, I do exam. The other day, you carry one paper con. You they show that one where you carry husband for road, marry and put for his house, they feed them with food when not done. When I don't say when I story food everywhere. I just see when now who what? Now you do your agbina. That one when you with and they do saga. When you carry con, you say they go school. Now you carry paper come out. My people, now if you want to do exam. If you want to do exam, now computer, now they do exam. Me, I go, you know how many times I go do my exam? Computer, they enter 45 minutes for you to finish the exam. Once you do the exam, once you reach 45 minutes, computer, they go off for your head. I phone, school in Nigeria. Why you say, but why school? If Rita go language school, now small. I'm not sure say she go language school. Ordinary language school, if you go language school for abroad, you go there intelligent, your brain go open. A brain no way open. Look at the way they insult those children. When they insult those children, you don't do anything. You when they insult children, look at the way when you tell they type. Your typing me say you not go anywhere, you not go school. When you are typing here, I want who was already by Dima. You people, you are so you not get the way when I tell they behave, man. Yes, I be obese, obese working. Yeah, I be obese. Now, so now they talk. Now, 24 hours, you they see me for Facebook. Who want me maybe 24 hours? He worry Facebook. I will just day 24 hours. You two will be a Facebook. Iware Facebook. Now when they go work, they all they see work for my body. I don't do all of the pass. Now they say they do the Denison. Then they do all those things. Me, I get certificate to work with the day. I get certificate to work with the day. The time when I go school that time, I finish 4 years. I use 4 years to go school. I finish the school that time. I go carry up lighty. When I go school that time, they laugh me. You know they shame. The time when I do that up lighty that time, now they go to school. I finish that up lighty. They come carry me enter language school for my community. I go school for another place. Even the uplight when I can't go carry. Now another city now for go. I don't go for here. That time when I they go. I they go school that time. That monkey face, he go they saga me. He go say, see ambo. You don't get paper when I flash my DC, my Ovechi card. Na document. They don't even know say na document. Una too mumu. As I finish that school, then for year, they can say make I go language school for year. Make my language take good. I know how to read Netherlands. But tell me say what it mean. They can say you have to go to language school. That time I see they go language school for year. That they go that language school 2 times in a week. They don't know. I come to that time, you will not get paper. Enter house. You will not get paper. Enter house. I don't get my passport. A Facebook, why away live video. Me, I don't get my passport. I never start to do live video. We don't start live video for you. And so now do. Now they deceive yourself. Is that good? Children that mother abandon. You they carry they call you they rubbish them. Sometimes, make una still they say if you want to beat that woman when they call her Vera, you can saga her. Nobody hold you not to saga Vera. Even if say you tear Vera pint now, I don't fit to say Rita, why you tear Vera pint? Beat and leave it. You know they take care of children, or money, or now people now call they take care of those children. You know they take care of children. We know everything one they do. We just don't say make peace reign. May everybody not call they do nyaka together. Yes, may everybody not call they do nyaka together. You carry children where be say now everybody now they take care of those children. Facebook, you know how many people when they wash those children, bath those children, floss those children room, put bed, buy television, do everything. You want to carry the children, you want to rob the children for mold. Are you so wicked like that? In your way, you are wicked here. Are you going to tell me that a social media why you were wicked here now? Social media just make you to wicked like this? My sister beg, come on hand. If you know something, you truly know something. You see this attitude of yours. I don't think you will display it on social media. This your attitude, you carry little children come. You they say, Ojiro, can't you go and listen to your voice? Your voice is so irritative. Your voice no good at all. So stink. Your voice, they stink. Somebody when say, school. Somebody when he finish school of nurse, he can't enter school of doctor. Okay, you going to tell me now for your brain now? Now problem now for your brain. If you should have problem in your brain like this, wait till you go read, where you go enter your brain. That education, when you dey shout, you don't have any place in your brain to sit on. Or even nothing. There is no space in your brain. Tomorrow, this one saga you come sagara. Not that this one saga you come sagara. All your live video presenter, when you they fight, all of them, they are in your brain. They don't already cover your brain. There is nothing good that will sit on your brain. Because why? You don't already get brutal mind. You have to free yourself. Just look this social media and say, what am I gaining here? Sometimes you want to just see top for matter, come out. You occupy your brain with a lot of live video presenter. They are in your brain. I will not vow one now. They'll say, why do you have a lot of people in your mind like this? All of the day your brain, then did you have chance in your brain where the study, when you the study go enter? If the way that you do social media, the way that you fight, if you say you they go school, you for don't craze. No where renene. You not fit they read. The same time, you go there to bully. Did you know how many people you they bully for a week? A week, 27 days in a week. You must do live video, you must bully. Then which time you go to the go school? I get a yoga where you school of doctor. Are a yoga a tell where it's my man. If you then tell her now you they learn the way we take the go to social media, they do saga. No. No, my sister. You know they go anywhere. Just say, you they do cleaning, fine. Don't call they talk say it's unacceptable. Me, I don't find believe because me, I know all of una for social media. Now so fake story now they carry come. For now they find waiting one call they defend to themselves. If you come, I do this, I do that. People when go school self, they're not even talk. Now people when not go school, now then they talk. Now people when not go school, now then they talk. They will say, they go work. They not they go work. Why you win now? Oh, man, no, you win the 2 years ago. Is it not 2 years? It don't reach 2 years, my people. When I go work. The time when I go work that time, where they eat for working place. One person say, I lovely, what did they do? I say, now work at they work. He say, why you can't just live like this? You know what? Where? Where about you win now? Who your way? Myself, Now 8 o'clock I tell they go work. Because now till 9, now till they start work. I will close around 4 o'clock. Me answer I boss make me have a day me well. Make it set alarm so that my boss not carry me pass. Now my daughter say, now you they go school, now you they do live video, now you they work. Only you want. My sister, you for don't craze. I now I wet tongue. When I they go work 2 years ago, I think don't reach 2 years now, 2003. When I go work to 2003, you know when they say, I never see say you go work. Me, I see you say you go work. When me imagine when now where they call you Jessica. Is it Jessica? Where they call you Jessica Godwin? But I don't see you. You they go work. You be all base. Where say you win a school now uwajo document you don't get for where you dey. Who document you win now? You not see say I go work. Now me come see say you they go work. I be open live video. You say na me be Jessica William. I dey go school. I dey go work. I be this thing. Oh, Rita, it don't too much for you. You don't do that. You can saga anybody that you want to saga. You don't have problem. But you see those children, when people they take care of, do not go there. Do not go there. You see those children, they be ancestors to people. When you want to carry them, you say, no, not touch our ancestors. Why you they saga the children? Oh, you so stink. Go back to that video. Go see the way where you go. You just be like person when you know if you enter anything, say if you pokpo gari self. Oh, yeah, we man like pokpo gari. Go and check that video. See the way we take the shot. Oh, Jire, if Vera, look at the way you were shouting, my dear. Go back to that video. Go and watch yourself. And see the kind of humiliation that you humiliate yourself. That voice of yours. It just tell people say, you be local person. A local person. They see say they call people say, Iyamaye school. With this your attitude. Look at the way you are shouting on little children that don't even know one. They don't know two for what you are talking about. Everybody know that those children, they not even write their name down. Because Asian man pay school fees in here. That one there Germany, they only have bolong. Only have why share the video. Share. Nobody they share, everybody don't abandon her. God they fight government, the same time they fight Papa, which one are they call him? Papa Benjamin. He don't fight, oh. The day when they walk out, they go. Now 27 people now they watch her. I just look at like this, say, "Eh, we walk me yeah now." Only I want total. Okay, bang. Nobody they mind now. You go talk tired because you know why you go talk tired. You abandon children. People need to abandon children. Egbe funya. If you like, you born another one when you dey bath everywhere. You see the day when you dey bath every day. Once you don't dey bath those children when you born for Europe, you go they remember Nigeria. Oh, you see those children. If you give them food to eat, the one when they Nigeria, you go dey your mind. Vera, you just dey by yourself. You can never get mind rich. They say person when to get mind when they not they see who they talk to. If they sit down and person they baba his head. No, not talk to me. No, I don't want to listen. But the day when you want baba head, now person they baba his head. Person that when they not they fit talk to. Now person they carry and sit down, baba his head. You want tell me say if Vera they serve the children when he born for Germany. My people now want tell me say he mind. Not they go they search the one when they Nigeria. Just because say may they not say hey, Vera, you can't later the children when you abandon, you later go there, go back there. Vera, no believe Wesha, not be me go even advise you say, pwe. No believe what the people they talk for social media. No job believe say person they talk for social media. You want job believe her. You see those people when they social media, there is something where it dey your hand. They will want get that thing. Now they talk say, hey, that one not take her. Why you may reach their hand. You like grab it. You want tell me now? They say now something now they remember something. This your children when they Germany, no matter you don't use until they remember the children when they Nigeria. Where they lay head down. Out of 5 children, no one when they beat your heart. My sister, when they head down, you are not living when you are gonna. See Anna, Benjamin, Papa, Benjamin. Then they say Benjamin don't leave you. If old man feel leave you, why Benjamin won't be your guy? Why not go leave you? Benjamin go leave you. Yes. Because the time when Benjamin know you not even tell Benjamin say, we can't hold me. Not tell Benjamin say, don't already lay egg. Say even lay egg. No. Can't deny pikin. I don't even know, Benjamin no even know, say this woman don't born 5 children. You dey poop prick for Toto. Don't born Benjamin. Benjamin no friend, he never fuck woman when he don't born before. He don't see the day when they beat Vera. No Vera nyash for her side. As Vera they go now, so nyash he dey grand. No ya biele. When why biele be onisano re dode. As Vera na nyash now you tend to say this woman don't born past 6 children. Nyash. Person that will just they get mad for social media. If you see them for ordinary ground, they be like cold water. Only that so yagbe. Now the crazy woman where they craze. That one they don't know say that one they craze. Now tell Vera say, come we can go fight. You don't laugh. Now tell Vera say, come on go fight. Now Benjamin carry Vera go there because Benjamin won't make them beat down. Before Benjamin carry her go there, pay puto. Benjamin. Before Benjamin, you know, Benjamin that person will be say, he know they talk. He no need problem. Before Benjamin carry and go, they negotiate now. It is now yesterday. They talk. Only go very well. I will carry you go because you know say he want carry Benjamin come out. He want to tell people say he get husband. Now Benjamin come to say okay, you if they go, you go buy new cloth for me. Oh, that cloth when Benjamin wear that cloth is a new one. New chassis. The day when they want to go fight, now that day Benjamin remove the receipt. Wear am. Now let some guys use your brain. You say no, you know say I want to go present myself. You go buy new cloth for me. Oh, kick me Benjamin. You know, me Benjamin. Oh, we are bad that won't say. Oh, we are bad. That shasha like that, yo. Oh, yo, egg afuere. Oh, believe. He said, I leave you. Man, you laugh, my darling. If they don't go social media, they'll say nothing they talk pass. Now, me don't come out for social media because it get a lot of things when I say make I go they arrange. If I don't finish, I don't go they saga me. Me, I don't get straight to the do saga again. Wait, be like say I get Coca-Cola for you. Huh? Meanwhile, they load things for my bed. Rame, it load dog. Egoe, me I want me I keep load dog. Ebi na everybody make bread. Shoso to. On it by both having. They don't have. I don't tire to the church small food. Me I can law even if me fake no go so me fake law. Notice I get time for now. Eh? Now so. Now Benjamin say no. You know if he carry me go outside like that too. Now he got Benjamin say no worry. That Duke more. America close. Benjamin. Close when Benjamin they will not be AliExpress. God forbid. Ah. Oh we are ba. Okay now AliExpress yo me. Oh ya ba that's about AliExpress yo now. Oh, that one near did that move. I don't know, Benjamin. If I tell us, say me buy car for you, eh? If I tell us, say me buy car for you, new car. Oh, worry better you go one. Why 7,000 euro? Baba koki go. Oh, kore muy better car nye 7,000 euro. The car go still sound. I will say, my daughter want go buy this thing come. The supermarket when year also yeah, you know quick go. We want go the one when they central. I for say me I call my sister call her come. Make you come advise you Rita. Make you leave make you leave those children. Leave update children alone. Now update now you get those children. Now be their father. Yes, just leave them alone. Now they take care of them. With some people when they social media when they donate for the children. Now so, I was born on you what I go beat you. I go beat you. Me if I read there I go nyakan you. Iki bear. Ya bear for iki vano ya me allow quit to make my voice not to go outside. Now check on. Don't say my this thing. They part where they use like they start. Not the lady one did this area. Me, I'm not going to do like JJC. A lot of people did there. Yeah, don't have one way. And they say if you did Roma, you behave like one. Eh? Me back you cocky qua. Eh? Now that one now carry on. Because they happy say his husband they carry on, they go. They can find husband at the end of the day. Oh, dirty what? Quand they that one come they drive and they go voo. They reach Paco, parking space. Now the crazy woman went there. That one can't jump come out. That one husband carry on come see the kind useless life. That one husband carry on come. I don't know why one not buy one. Make una go spend the rest of our life for prison. That one don't come. Don't you want that one if you like, do me like this. No, I know they fight to AJ. Me, AJ, I'm not the me, I know they talk say I want to come meet you, may you beat me, and they can't beat you. No, may use ordinary man to talk. Now so, before you know, Benjamin went. Benjamin go say, oh yeah, ba, I pray make you make heaven. Oh yeah, ba, hey. Also the way wall, also the way. I pray. Now so my darling Moseo, also the way well, I pray may you make heaven. Or I could only the woman take for granted though before that one come up for us in Lord Sembo. If that woman give me one blow, I will just from there they go out. You know say some blood there where person go give you. He go tell you the direction of your house. Me I don't like blow. If you do like this, I will cocoa my hair like this. I say no hit me or no hit me. I don't like blow. They may want to walk when the bloody go, golly. You don't send me road to my house. I know they don't say wait for me. I go kill you today, Lala. Me I don't go. You don't say me say, see how that blood don't say. Now that does your house be this one, Mary every time. Ha! It keep doing over where. Yeah, me I don't like say you can't blow person. You see, you go if you do like this, hey, my body go don't they do me one kind of nation baby. This one walking me. Yeah, the other running or cock look on the honey. Or cock agba woman yo. When agba woman can't be now they get power where they not take tall. Not be man what tan. We talk our power to follow us. Our dinner feel like me. My guadeji one the night. It already only go that be Vera. Go! Me where they know it. I can't get it. You know, what I go on the Facebook now. No, say that he pay you. He pay you. Benjamin don't say that blow enter. Where Benjamin go say, Vera, he pay you. Alright, Benjamin come on. This is Benjamin come reach there. I no do not see Benjamin. He may person go. Benjamin go do like this. No, I bet whoever talk boy. Benjamin no walk or asu worry. He clean body. Like you for. I never will need. Ebo back in ebo reg blow. Now just hit the rubber. But he pay you. No sir. You the ask what they pay. Because that blow, boo. And I don't know what that was I have violent no education. Hey, Benjamin, my phone there, Now Benjamin said, where the phone there? Where about Cherry? Yeah, idiot, no. Now the woman, before you know, if the if the woman this way Benjamin, then Benjamin go say, bros, I go beat you, now. You never know solution, guys. When you go talk again, Benjamin will just go the second side. You go down the dusty body like this. So you know say Benjamin not regret Vera. Okay, didn't break bear. If that touch you go just dusty body like this. You go do all like this. Whether they smell for your body, you go just dusty body like me die. Yeah. Eh, ça you person regbe. Not be so. The guy, he can't say, Vera can't say, Benjamin, attack the guy. Benjamin, they say, oh, Kibo, where? And have him motor. He can't say, don't spoil my motor. He say, comment for Dieu? Vera, comment for Dieu? Mais they don't spoil my motor. Oh my God. Nina J. I barrel. Hey, I don't think my social media. Hey, come on for dear. Oh, Benjamin gonna say, oh, not let this woman wear my car. Oh, trust me, need it now. Not some people know the year Isha. Oh, trust me, come on for dear now. Not let this boy wear my car. That woman ready to nyodeni. The woman ready to put the door. The woman just carry the door. You go just say hit Vera. You go just take the push Vera. Just take the push Vera. Benjamin say, oh, Bachonanya. He say, what it be this one now? Bachonanya. Oh, come on for dear. Oh, man, I don't go spoil my car. You never know me, guys. You go laugh. You go they carry there, you go they laugh. You don't blow. Okay, oh yaba. Me we gbo eti. Oh yaba. Me we fio eti. O fe wa mu we da fio eti. We di gbe me. You go say na me you blow, you don't fear. You can't hit me. You go kill me. Okay. Tomorrow we go this fight, we go fight again. Now lie, don't come up with that. Not everybody they fight. You know? Now so, my people, son go say, oh, comment no na comment. Oh, see these people want spoil my God. Where the phone? It away your phone. Go where the phone? Pick my phone. I worry Vera, that worry no Wortoworto. That woman said, you just say, now what for you? You be one killer. You be one killer. With the press, Vera, go take care of your children. You now, you won't kill her. Now so, the woman carrying her tongue. Ime. Hold on. Benjamin, where you? Hold on. Leave her. That one come Benjamin because they say, leave her now. Why you dey blow? Leave her now. Oh, Vera, did they pay you? Benjamin, where you go sit down. That time when the sad guy don't get, you go sit down, but you go suffer. They talk small. You go, oh yeah, but we're in the news. Benjamin suffer. They talk. You go, yeah, gentle. Oh, he's so bad. If I catch news, if I can walk, you know they okay. You be mugu. You know, Well, that's what they take fight to Benjamin no settle fight. If they run, they come. Benjamin go run, go that side. Guy. Don't make me vex, oh, guy. Don't make me spoil something for you, oh, guy. This guy, don't make me spoil something, oh. And so they do. I will say they buy that Vera that day now. The people who buy they go to prison. Vera when they buy, they will carry her go mortuary. May God not let them carry you go mortuary for early age. Me I not be hater. Even they say you don't want agree, take care of these children. You see, no agree take care of these children. That is why everybody they tell you go take care of your children. The children don't already grow. Yeah, children don't already grow. I never seen this kind of people before. They are so naive. How people will just stay naive for their life. Too much. See that day now. See Rita Ayemiomo. You just see the way. How would you live? Oh, look at the way. Look at the voice of that woman. Look at the way she was just fooling herself. She just want to cause traffic for the children life. Why not see the jealous the children with in Nigeria? Why not see the jealous those children with in Nigeria? The place where those children did that time. Those are now that same place. These people want to say, make the children day. God the ever can't do and people can't come. May God bless you now. Now can't remove those children for dirty. They wanted those children, made that they suffer. Una too get my sha. Na too get might. Oji fuebo. Una so oji fuebo. What day? Oh, look at the way. What do you want to call yourself for social media now, Rita? A live video presenter, or motivational speaker, or advisor? I don't even know what you want to call yourself. Because the things what they do, they represent anything. It's against the law. You bully children. You want to say you be nurse, you they bully children. You want to say you be doctor, you they bully children. Did you see these two work so? You see these two occupations when you they get as a doctor, as a nurse. You don't play with people. Now you go love people pass. Yes, now you go love people pass. Because they are patient people. Doctor, nurse, you see all those people? They be patient people. You see them? All those medical doctors, all of them, when it comes to human being, say person want take tablets now. Medical doctor, they will make sure say the tablet when they want do, distribute the tablet for all your pharmacy. When they take both pharmacy, both hospital, any medicine you say in pharmacy, you see the hospital. They are very careful of their work. Doctor, nurse, all those pharmacy. They are especially pharmacy. They are very careful. Even before they go even run your operation, they must give you medicine drink. You see, sleepy tablets, sleepy injection. They want to operate you. Now pharmacy. Now there, people that read medicine, those now there, all those things, whether they put for body, medicine, all those things. Now there, blood, sample of blood. Now then, everything. Then, if you want to tell people for social media, you tell people, say, you be nurse, you be doctor. Why you they stay? That's why they stay there. Why you they stay doctor? Why you they stay nurse? You see this occupation, so do not play to that side. No call they talk say you be nurse, you be doctor. Who you they talk to? Where you cannot even protect people, where you cannot even ignore, say, if not be marked. Do you see some people, their occupation, they know they use and take play. Go say, if you like now, doctor can't treat you, you talk to doctor anyhow, he go look you like this. You know, say some patients that they talk to doctor anyhow. They all look you, he not answer you. Yes, he not answer you. That's it.